All right, second lesson of this unit, or 5.2, is the lesson on rates. We're on page 4 inside your notes packet for today. So the key concepts up at the top of the page here for page number 4 for rates. A rate is a comparison of two quantities with different units. So today we're going to actually see two different units instead of ones that are the same. We write rates as fractions with labels. So these are going to have labels on them. And a unit rate has a denominator of 1. In order to get a denominator of 1, we actually just need to divide. So a rate is really just a division problem. Notice this divide sign takes the place of the t here. So it's kind of my little device to help remember what we need to do when we see a rate. So a rate is very simply put a division problem. On page number 4, we're going to start with a couple unit rates here. A suggested planting rate for wildflower seeds is 8 pounds per 2 acres. What is the unit rate in pounds per acre? This per is kind of like our divide sign here. So it's telling us to do pounds divided by acres. We're going to write this as a fraction bar division sign. So we're going to do pounds on the top, or you can put LBS, and then per acre. So looking back in our problem, we have 8 pounds. So 8 goes with the pounds label. 2 acres, so 2 goes with the acre. And then we just divide. 8 divided by 2. So we're actually going to use the division sign on your calculator here. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then we need to put this label. Label is typically right inside the problem here. Pounds per acre. Instead of writing per every time, you are welcome to use a slash. That's pretty much common in math, especially when we're talking about rate, and that would be read 4 pounds per acre. Number 2, Mrs. Grabner's trip to Vermont took them 7 hours of driving time, and the distance was 455 miles. What was their average speed? So when we talk about speed, we're looking at miles per hour. So it's the distance traveled divided by the time. So we are going to travel miles per hours. So we're going to start with the labels and then go back. What was my number that goes with miles? That was 455. 7 hours. So I'm going to take 455 and divide through by 7. That will give me 65, and my label miles per hour. You can put MPH, you can put miles per hour with a slash. You could also use the word. MPH is perfectly acceptable here though. For question number 3, Eva pays a company $30 every 6 months to host her website. How much does Eva pay per month? So dollars per month. So back in the problem, she's paying $30, and that gets her 6 months. 30 divided by 6 is 5, and we need our label, dollars per month. So we're going to put the dollar sign out front. It does not go afterward. You will be losing points for that. Slash month. So she's paying $5 per month. So the next question, how much does Eva pay for 9 months? So if she's paying $5 for 1 month, we're going to do $5 times 9 months. And that's going to give us $45 for Eva. Number 4, Jack and Jana's kiddie pool holds 100 gallons of water when safely filled. It took 16 minutes to fill the pool each time they used it this summer. How fast was the water filling the pool? So how fast? We're filling up the pool, so we're doing gallons per minute. So on the top, I'm going to have gallons per minute. So the gallons is 100. The time was 16. So if we do 100 divided by 16, we get 6.25 gallons per minute. And that's it for your lesson on rates for today.